Welcome to another exciting edition with Winnie Honor. So today we are looking at percentages. Percentage, which is also represented as this symbol, means by 100. Now previously we talked about percentages of increase and decrease of quantities. So today we are talking about expressing numbers and amounts as percentages. Expressing numbers and amounts as percentages. So for question 1 we have express 20 as a percentage of 50. Express 20 as a percentage of 50. The of here belongs to 50. Of 50 as a percentage of 50. So that means 50 is the denominator because it says of 50. Then 20 will be the numerator. We are expressing this 20 as a percentage of 50. So 20 over 50 times 100. I said 100 has to do with percentage. Percentage has to do with 100. So 20 over 50 times 100. How did I get this 20? That's the question. 20 as a percentage of 50. Of 50. That is, 20 is owned by 50 then times 100. So here we have 0 cancels 0. We now have 2 times 100 over 5. 5 here is 1. 5 in 10 is 2, then this 0. So we have 2 times 20. 2 times 20 is 40. Our answer here is 40%. We have just expressed 20 as a percentage of 50. Now for question B, we have express 33 as a percentage of 70. 33 as a percentage of 70. The 70 comes down because it's just by of 70 times 100. Why are we writing 100? Percentage has to do with 100. So I have 0 here, 0 here, cancelling the 0. So we have 33 times 10 over 7. 33 times 10 over 7. So 33 times 10 is 330 over 7. So how many times can 7 go into 33? 7 in 33. How many times can 7 go into 3? Is 4. 7 times 4 is 28. So we have remaining 5 here. Now 7 in 50 is 9. Remaining 1. So our answer here is going to be 49 whole number. The 1 here, 1 over 7%. This is our answer. 49 whole number, 1 over 7%. Now for question C, we have expressed 35 minutes as a percentage of 1 hour. 35 minutes as a percentage of what? Of 1 hour. Of 1 hour. 1 hour. But in this situation, one is in minutes, the other one is in hour. The only way they can communicate is if they are the same. One is like a goat, the other one is like a human being. You can't see a goat talking to a human being. So the only way they can communicate with themselves is if both of them are in minutes or both of them are in hour. And we cannot change 35 minutes to hour because 35 minutes is not up to 60, so we cannot convert 35 to 1 hour. But we can convert 1 hour to 35 minutes. That will be times 60 minutes. We are changing 1 hour to minutes. So going further, we have 35 minutes over 60 minutes. How did we get 60? We converted 1 hour to minutes. So how many minutes are in 1 hour? 60 minutes. That's how we got the 60. Times percentage deals with 100. So 0 cancel the 0. Going further, we are left with 35 times 10 over 6. 2 here is 3, 2 here is 5. So we are left with 35 times 5 over 3. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 take up 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17 over 3. 175 over 3. Now we're going to break it down. This is an improper fraction. So 3 here is 1. How many times can 3 go into 17? Is 5. Remaining 2. How many times can 3 go into 25? Is 8. Remaining 1. So answer here is 58 whole number 1 over 3%. This is our answer. 58 whole number 1 over 3%. This is our answer. Now, for question 2, what percentage of 7 whole number 1 over 2 is 5 whole number 1 over 2. What percentage of, don't forget, what percentage of this? That means this 7 whole number 1 over 2 is our denominator, 7 whole number 1 over 2. Now, is 5 whole number, this is the numerator, 5 whole number 1 over 2. Now, we're dealing with percentage, that is times 100. So, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to change these mixed numbers to improper fraction. So we have 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1. 11 over 2 over 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 1, 15 over 2 times 100. What I did here, I converted mixed number to improper fraction. Now, in our previous classes, we talked about divide cannot divide. So we have to reverse this time, this divide to multiplication. So in reversing it, we have 11 over 2 times, that is, we are changing this divide to times. When you change divide to times, the numerator comes down and the denominator goes up. So we have 2 over 15 times 100 over 1. Now going further, 2 here is cancelling this 2. So we have 11 times 100 over 15 times 1. 5 here is 3, 5 here is 20. We have 11 times 20 over 3. What is 11 times 20? Let's find out. 11 times 20. 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2. Here, we have 220 divided by 3. How many times can 3 go into 22? 3 here is 1, 3 in 22 is 7, remaining 1. 3 in 10 is 3, remaining 1. So our answer is 73 whole number, 1 over 3%. 73 whole number, 1 over 3%. Don't forget to like us.